Alright guys, gonna run the bonus drawing for the sausage set. Live at 3:41 p.m. 3:41 p.m. 11 entries. James at the bottom, John at the top. Dice roll 5 or higher. 11 times, top spot wins. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, click top spot. Good luck. Timmy Herman, spot 10. There's a verification code. We are done. 3:42 p.m. Congrats, Timmy. I will put that with the other boxes, and we'll get that to you shortly. Thanks.